Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be playing OG, or no, the oldest version of Animal Crossing, like the first ever version of the game, like first. So yeah, I might make a tutorial how to get this soon, maybe. I don't know when, but yeah, let's do this. Remember, I miss this version. Oh, I probably need that flashlight. This old cell machine. Give it to him then. Wait, do I have to give them to? I can't remember if you do or not. Where the hell's the banana? You get 4, and yeah. So you have to bring them snacks. This is like the old the old cell machine. Coming to like company store coming to like how's the top seller? It's not even out yet. And yeah. So let's go. So eerie not having people in your lobby. How did I miss? You see under the map. I know a way to glitch outside the map. I'm pretty sure. Sword doesn't kill you, by the way, if I'm right. Yeah. There's a wall where like it doesn't have a barrier, so you can like glitch outside the map. Pretty sure it's this one. Yeah, just did. Okay. Okay, I'm not gonna be doing that. I'm not going to like the dark areas because I don't want to. Like, just play around in this area. Yeah, so you need to bring him snacks to adventure. Here's some snacks. Yes, I'll make a tutorial on this soon. Hopefully. I don't know if I will. But, yeah. Better something bad's gonna happen to me. Damn. You got the hexagon watch. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What's an eight-sided shape called? I think it's like the heptagon or something. Well, I don't know. Can't know. I don't know. Here's this fan art. Is that Freddy Fazbear? Bro, I miss this version so much. Well, I think we can put this together. Put together. Anyways, that'll be the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoy. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching.